guys. I'm eating. Oh, wait. Chili hello. Here. Hi. It's not hard. Oh no. Wait, yan. Kasi na English, hindi sila Tagalog. English, hello. What you do? Hello. Hello guys. Happy New Year and everyone. Oh. Hello. Ano to? Sorry guys. I Tagalog. Sorry, ano. Oh. It's not good. It's good. Bye. Wait lang.